This is a quick video on how to remove the cover on an Xbox One. I'm going to start on the side that has the pairing button and the USB port. And all that you need to do here is just gently pry up on one side of the vent to remove it. Then just slide out this little triangle shaped piece of plastic that sits underneath of the pairing button. Next we're going to shift our focus to the back of the Xbox One. You will have to slice through this Intrusion sticker on the back, but at the time of making this video this console is almost 10 years old, so it's safe to say you're probably out of warranty anyways. Alright, so next step on opening it up. If you press down on the top half of the plastics here, you can see that you can create some separation where the case comes together. I use that separation to get started with a screwdriver and then gently go along the back and pry in different places until all of the tabs release. I've taken this one apart a few times so the plastics are a little bit more flexible, but if it's your first time then it might put up more of a fight. For what it's worth, you can see there's one tab directly above the sticker, and then there's one kind of above the IR and network port, kind of above the HDMI in and the USB ports, and then lastly directly above where the power cord connects. At this point I just kind of keep lifting up gently until the plastics in the front release. It can be a little scary, but I've never had anything break on me. So the next step here is to do something about the front panel. There is a small ribbon cable in the front that you can disconnect, so that's an option. The way that I prefer to do it though is to just disconnect the tabs that hold the front panel onto the top plastics. I just do this with my finger, but you can use a screwdriver or whatever is easier. You just have to go along the front and push down on the tabs so that they let go. And this is just a quick shot here of where that little ribbon cable is, so we just have to be kind of careful when we're doing this step. From this view you can see the speaker and the wireless card on the top here, and all of the other components are underneath of this metal case. I just wanted to make a quick video on how to remove the plastics, and I'll make a follow-up video where I tear it down further than this and replace the hard drive. Alright, so to put the plastic cover back on, it's pretty quick and easy. I'm going to turn the Xbox around so that we're looking at the back of it, and then lean the front panel out of the way. There's not much to this, you just put the top plastics back on and push directly down so that everything clicks in place. And now for the front panel, you'll want to start with the bottom part first, and then it kind of hinges in place so that the tabs all click together. Alright, and back where we started here, we have to slide this small triangle shaped piece of plastic back in under the pairing button, and then snap this vent back in place, and you're done. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. Hit like if this helped you out, and thanks for watching.